Alarm goes off. To wake up. To get up. To take a shower. To have a shower. To take a bath. To have a bath. To put on makeup. To shave. To wash your hair. To dry your hair. To iron a shirt. To get dressed. To brush your teeth. To wash your face. To brush your hair. To make the bed. To have breakfast. To eat breakfast. To leave the house. To go to work. To go to school. To catch the train. To catch the bus. To drive. To arrive late. To start work. To have a break. To have lunch. To eat lunch. To finish work. To leave work. To work overtime. To go home. To buy groceries. To cook dinner. To have dinner. To eat dinner. To clear the table. To listen to the radio. To watch TV. To check your emails. To have tea or coffee. To drink tea or coffee. To do the dishes. To walk the dog. To read a newspaper. To go out with friends. To go to a cafe. To call a friend. To call your family. To do homework. To put the children to bed.
To take out the trash.
To take out the rubbish. To feed the dog. To feed the cat. To go to bed. To clean the windows. To sweep the floor. To scrub the floor. To mop the floor. To vacuum the carpet. To dust.
To take out the trash.
To take out the rubbish.
To clean up.
To tidy.
To go to the store.
To go to the shops. To clean the bathroom. To set the table. To clear the table. To do the dishes. To dry the dishes. To load the dishwasher. To unload the dishwasher. To do the laundry. To hang clothes. To do the ironing. To fold clothes. To make the bed. To change the sheets. To water the plants. To wash the car. To feed the pets.
To paint the house. To paint a room. To plaster the walls. To tile the bathroom. To fit a carpet. To put up shelves. To make curtains. To unclog the sink. To unblock the sink. To change a light bulb.
To mow the lawn. To do the weeding. To plant bulbs. To prune trees. To trim a hedge. To water the flowers.